Hey there, I'm Jon MacDonald, and I'm very excited to share that my new book, Opting into Optimization, is coming out this month. I began writing about a year ago after I had an epiphany. I realized that at The Good, we had a set of principles that could help e-commerce leaders capitalize on market demand, survive economic storms, and build thriving businesses. Opting into Optimization, a follow-up to my first book, Stop Marketing, Start Selling, was born. The book packages more than a decade of knowledge and experience into just a handful of conversion optimization laws. Each chapter covers a lesson that will help e-commerce brands to convert more visitors into buyers. Here's a sneak peek. In chapter 1, I cover why best practices are for beginners and how you can create a culture of research, testing, and improvement that will bring your brand to the next level. In chapter 2, you will find out how optimization is all about getting better 1% every day. There is no silver bullet to success, but each small improvement leads to big gains over time. And in chapter 3, I share the 2 things that your visitors need to see when they land on your site, avoiding doing too much and addressing these 2 important elements to see winning results. In the rest of the chapters, well, you'll have to wait and read it to find out. Sign up at thegood.com/OITO for a preview, exclusive content, and to be the first to know when the book is released. I cannot wait to hear what you think.